answers. Okay, now we are doing exercise 1.4. In that exercise 1.4, our first bit is write the numbers using commas to international system. ISM is nothing but international system of numerations. Okay, what we have to do, this is our first question. In that first question, write the numbers using commas. Okay, we have to write the numbers using commas. Okay, in the international system means ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, after 10,000s, 100,000s, after 100,000s, millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. In this way, the place values of international system will be. Okay, now see how commas will be given to this number. Okay, how we have to give commas? After every 3 digits we have to give commas. I already told you in the earlier video about the use of commas in international systems. Okay, okay, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, after 10,000s, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions and 10 millions. Okay, after every 3 digits we have to give commas. After every 3 digits we have to give commas. See how can we read this 97 millions 645,000 and 315. In this way we will read that number. Okay, now write this also. Give the place values: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions and 10 millions. How we have to give comma from ones place to this millions? After every 3 digits we have to give commas. After every 3 digits we have to give commas. Okay, how we have to read this? 20 millions 48,421. In this way we have to read that number, and in this way we have to give commas. Okay, what is our next question? Collect the mobile numbers of anyone, write them using commas and read in international system. Okay, collect the mobile numbers of anyone. Okay, suppose a number will be 1, 2, 3, okay, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Suppose a number with this. Okay, how we have to write them using commas? Okay, okay, which system of commas we have to write here? So he asked read in international system. In the international system only we have to give commas. Okay, give the place values of this number: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, 10 millions, 100 millions and billion. Okay, in this way we have to give place values in international system. Okay, now give commas. In the international system, after every 3 digits we will give commas. Okay, don't forget this. After every 3 digits we have to give commas. Okay, writing in commas is completed. Now we have to read that in international system. Okay, how we will read this number? 1 billion 234 millions 567,890. In this way we will read this number. Okay, now third bit. Now we will do third bit. Write the numbers in both Indian and international systems. Okay, we have to write the numbers. He gave one number. We have to write that in Indian system and international system of numeration. In words we have to write. Okay, write the numbers. Third bit, write the numbers both Indian and international systems. Okay, in that first question, okay, numbers both Indian and international system of numerations. He gave one number. We have to write that number in words of Indian system and also the words in international system of numerations. Okay. First, Indian system. Indian system. How we have to give? How we have to write? Okay. First, give the place values. Okay, this is our question. Give the place values: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, and 10 crores. Okay, how we have to write that in words? How we have to write? Give commas first. See, in the Indian system, after 3 digits we have to give comma, and after that every 2 digits we have to give commas. Okay. This becomes 12 crores, TWELVE, 12 crores, 31 lakhs, 12 crores, 31 lakhs, 15,000, and 27. In this way we have to write in the Indian system. Now check in international system. International system. Okay. Give the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. After 10,000, 100,000. After 100,000s, million, 10 million, 100 million. In this way we have to give place values for the international system. How we have to write this in words? Okay, first give commas in the international system of numerations. After every 3 digits we have to give commas. Okay, how we have to write 100 and 100, 23 millions, 123 millions, 300, 115,000, 115,000, 115,000, and 27, and 27. Okay, in this way we have to write this number in Indian system and international system. Okay, this is Indian system and this is international system. Now shall we do second one? So this is very easy if we know the place values of Indian and international system correctly and commas. Now do second one. Second one question. Okay, this is our question. We have to write in Indian and international system. Okay, here I am writing Indian system. Okay, first give place values: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores. Okay, in the Indian system of numeration, after 3 digits we have to give commas, and after that we have to give commas after every 2 digits. Okay, it becomes 8 crores. We have to write that number in words. 8 crores, 96 lakhs, 96 lakhs, 43,000, FORTY, 43,000, and 92, NINETY, 90 TWO2. In this way we have to write that number in Indian system words. Okay, now I am writing international system. International system. Okay, what is our question? After this we have to give the place values according to international system. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, 10 millions. Okay, after every 3 digits we have to give commas. Now we have to write that in words. 89 millions, 89 millions, 643,000, 643,000 and 92 and 92. NINETY 90 TWO2. Okay, in this way we have to write the numbers in words in Indian system and also in international system. Okay, now moving to fourth bit. Fourth bit, read the number carefully and write and answer the following. Okay, fourth bit. Fourth bit, he gave one number. He also gave commas also. This is our question. In that, our first question is the digit at millions place. The digit at millions place. And what is the second question? The digit at hundredth place. The digit at hundredth place. Next, our third question, the digit in 10 millions place. Millions. Next, what is the fourth question? How many millions are there in the number? How many millions are there in the number? Okay, this is our fourth bit. He gave one number and asking questions like this. The digit at millions place, the digit in hundreds place, the digit in 10 million place. How many millions are there in the number? By seeing this, what is the number he gave? Indian system number or international system number? Okay, millions, 100, 10 millions means he gave commas also after every 3 digits. After seeing that number, we can easily identify this number is international system of numeration. Okay, now give the place values first. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 millions. Okay, what is our first question? The digit at millions place. What is the digit is there in the millions place? Millions. What is the digit? 2. Okay, 2 is the answer. Next, the digit at hundreds place. Okay, what is the digit there in the hundreds place? Hundreds place, 4 is the digit. 4 is the digit which is there in the hundreds place. Now third question, the digit in 10 million place. 10 millions place. Okay, 10 millions, 0. Next, how many millions are there in the number? How many millions are there? Here 2, 0, 3. How many millions are there? 3 millions are there. How many millions are there in the number? Okay, 3 millions are there in the number. 302 millions are there in the number. So 302 millions or 3 millions are there in the number. Okay, by this we completed our exercise 1.4. If you like my teaching, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.